I'm gonna change the oil on this Corolla at 80,000 miles. And you guys already know I change the oil every 10,000 miles. So this is 80,000 miles already. All right, guys, it's time for the oil change every 10,000 miles. Right now, we are at 79,000 miles. All right, let's check the condition of the oil. It's like dark honey.
Yes, it's fine.
That's good. No oil. Everything looks good. Let's check the oil. Checking the oil. Wipe it first. This is my final check. So full level, and it's golden honey.
Stop.
Yeah. Okay, let's reset that. Oil maintenance required soon schedule. Let's reset it by toggling these buttons here. Oh, here. Yeah. This is the one first. Push this one first. This one, this arrow, back arrow. And then you toggle it until you see this. Then toggle down to vehicle settings, click OK. Oh, hold it. And then down here you'll see schedule maintenance. Push on it and then press OK. Come on. I'm holding. Okay, there you go. And I backed out, I mean. And there's an oil maintenance schedule. Push on that one. Reset to yes. Hold it. It says reset complete. Then back out. Alright. So basically, in the vehicle settings, you push on it for a little bit, and then you'll see the scheduled maintenance, and then you'll see oil maintenance. All right, you just toggle it. Scheduled maintenance, oil maintenance. The scheduled maintenance is for tire rotation and stuff. The scheduled maintenance is every 5,000 miles, and then the oil change is 10,000 miles. And that's it, guys. I'm done.
I hope this video was helpful. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Like as she was saying, I hope this video was successful. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.